Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a charger controller, battery, and a solar panel together. So here is a brand new solar charger controller. It's a PWM charging mode, 10 amps solar power controller. So in order to connect a solar power controller, it's very easy. You can see it here. It has got some indication. A side for battery, positive, negative, a side for a solar panel, and an outlet that does not go directly into the battery. So here's the solar panel. I've already connected it from this side here. You got positive and negative sign here. So the red one is the positive wire, while the yellow one is the negative side. So I have to wire everything together here. So here I have to screw them out. So the positive wire of the solar panel go directly into this positive sign here of the charger controller. I have to squeeze it inside. And you have to close it. Once you connect your solar panel into your charger controller, you can see that it is starting to indicate some LED will start to light up. This indicates that this solar panel is generating electricity from a solar energy. So now we have connected the wires that go into solar panel side. You can see red one is positive, this yellow one is a negative. So here is a sign for a battery symbol, positive and negative side. So you have to connect two wires, positive, one on the positive, one on the negative. Then this wire will go directly into the battery. So I have to unscrew it. So you can see it here, a positive and negative side of the wire that will go directly into the battery. So if you try to connect it to a battery, connect a positive side of your charger controller into a positive side of your battery, and negative one connected to the negative terminal of the battery, you will start to see that there is some LED red light here indicating that the battery is now charging. So let's try to put your solar panel into a sunlight to see the effect. So try to put it into the sun and look at your charger controller. You can see that there is a red light here and the two blue lights. This blue light indicates how much charge is in your battery. So let's connect this final side here. This is actual, it's not very recommended because it's just an optional. You can connect wires into that side or you cannot connect it. This side you connect a wire when you want to use a solar panel instead of a battery. So if you want to use a solar panel power directly that doesn't go into your battery, you can plug it from this side here. So now everything is already in connection. You can see that the red wire come out of your charger controller, go direct into a positive side of your battery, while this yellow negative wire go direct into your negative terminal of your battery. This is a 12 volt, 12 ampere hour battery. You have charger controller, 10 amp charger controller can work very well with this battery. So this remains two side here of your charger controller are outlet that go, you can plug it anything that you want. So if you have a light bulb like this, you can just plug it. So let's try to plug a light bulb onto this remaining side of your charger controller. Even if you don't want to use this side, you cannot just use it. So you can just plug your device or your load directly from your battery, or you can just connect it out of your charger controller like this. But for me, I will recommend you that you should connect your battery, your load into a battery. So if you try to connect your load into a battery, it will work even much better. So this is how connection is done. These two wires here that come out of your charger controller that indicate you should connect a light source. You can just stop using it. You can just unplug it, and nothing bad will happen to your solar system. So just remove this two wire, and you can start to use. You can just plug any load from your battery. So this is how connection is done. From your solar panel, connect two wires, positive and negative terminal, connect it into a negative, positive one, connect it into a positive terminal of your charger controller, and a negative one, connect it into a negative charger controller, and go on with your battery, plug it into your battery, and start to use your solar panel. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.